Hillbilly Nitro. Here we are, guys, back with another episode. Well, it's February, and guess what it is? You guessed it. February ammo score, monthly ammo score. So we got a little package to open up. So let's get to it, guys. Hope everybody's been doing well. Just in case you were wondering, Benchmade 940 Osborne, a classic and one of my favorites. Satin finish on the blade, very nice. A lovely knife. So here we are, guys. We got another score. And this month we went with some pistol ammo from Target Sports USA. They shipped UPS this time. I don't know what's up with that. I don't know if they went every order. Like I've said before, I've ordered thousands of rounds and I've always been FedEx. So got UPS this time. There's some classified info that we probably don't need. So get rid of that. Open her up here. Let's put the box down. There we go. My pants are hanging off my butt here when I squatch down here. We have 1,000 rounds of 9mm. You guys can see that. Here's what we scored. 20 boxes of 50. Blazer brass. 9mm Luger, 115 grain, FMJs. So that's what we got, guys. That is February's ammo score. Definitely going to put this in the ammo cans. So I guess that knocked February out, and we're going to. I got that. Well, I should go ahead and tell you, I scored this for 179, which is up a little bit. This from, I don't know, beginning of 2016, somewhere around that area. 2017. This stuff has been 169 all the way through, but now it's back up about 10 bucks. But the thing is, this has a rebate on it, so I've got $1 per box rebate. So I've got 20 bucks I can send in for a rebate. So that's 20 bucks minus 179. But it's still decent. They count on you not sending in that rebate. That's why they do it like that. Most people don't. And I had a rebate on that other can, my first episode, the M855 can that I bought. Forgot to mention that in the video. Imagine that. So, but here we are. This is our February ammo score, and we'll see what we got going on for March. Try to find a good deal. That's basically what all this is. We're building up to. We got the gun control in the air. I believe we got a assault weapons ban. The Democrats are trying to get in the works, which won't get past the Senate. But you know, gun control in the air. These prices go up, and you know they build a lot of hype to these, and they're especially on the state level. I mean, I've heard they're trying to get one state, I can't remember, maybe you can mention in the comments if you know, trying to institute a $2,000 tax on firearms, any firearm, $2,000 tax for some kind of insurance, liability insurance, in case someone gets hurt by gun crime, you know. So, you know how they are if you know what I'm talking about. Anyways, guys, that's going to wrap this video up. Just thought I'd show you. Just got this in yesterday. So, stay tuned for episode 3. And more videos coming your way, guys. Yeah, Billy, over and out of here, guys. Peace. Yes. SKS, by the way. Maybe we'll do a video on that. See ya, guys. Peace.